Hello, we're off Lake Michigan, bike path. Dad and David and Freddie were zooming off. And my stomach's starting to feel weird. It's really hot, guys. You can see the blue sky. They're the lovely bikers with us.
I signed a release form.
You're out in the public though.
There's Steve with Freddie Lee. Beautiful Lake Michigan. Look how blue the sky is. Down there is the John Hancock Center down there. 2 spikes. And then the Sears Tower of Chicago. And right there's the bike path. I'm facing south right now. And there's west. The cars. We're gonna go to Chinatown today. I'm already so exhausted. It's very windy today and it's kind of hot in the 80s. And I'm starting to feel very tired. Wow, look at that helicopter. It's pretty close. I'm zooming up on him. Whoa. Crazy. Hi, helicopter. So, downtown Chicago. Blue sky, as you can imagine. Beautiful Lake Michigan off Chicago. Hey Freddie, can you take me? Seafood. I'm never in my videos anymore. Can you videotape mine? It's still on. Hello, Jenny's Food Network. I'm never in videos anymore. So today we're gonna bike to Chinatown. It's gonna be about 30 miles round trip from home in Evanston to Chinatown and back. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Enjoy the beautiful Chicago. All right, thank you. Oops, did you stop?